What's up? So I have a car that has bag suspension. When I want to add air to my tires, I have to use this. This is some battery operated thing. And while it does get the job done, it's compact and stuff, sometimes I forget it. Sometimes it's not charged. And it does take a very long time to air up 45, 50 PSI. So what I thought was, why don't I just add an airline and add a tire inflator to my setup? So that's exactly what I did. So here you can see my bag suspension setup. I have dual compressors, my tank up here. I'm going to show you how I connected a pressure regulator, put an airline, and I also got a tire inflator hooked up to it. So if I want to air up my tires, all I have to do is take the airline, plug it into the side of the tank here. I plug in the inflator to the airline, and then I just open up the regulator. And there we go. I have... So now when I want to air up my tires, I could just take my airline, go to the tire I want to air up, and there we go. I could just air it up. It's at 38.5. Let's air it up to 42 PSI. That's it. And when I'm done, just disconnect it from the chock, screw back on my valve stem cap, and that's it. When I'm done airing up all my tires, all I have to do is just close this little red valve here. And I just empty out all the air in the system. So now there's no more air in the system. So what I could do is just pull this back and disconnect the line and disconnect that. And that's it. I'm very happy I did all this work because saving a lot of time and a lot of money using what I already have. So I've already emptied out the air. As you can see, I'm pressing the water trap and it's not hissing anymore. So now what I'm going to do is loosen this. This is, I think, a 6mm. Alright guys, so I just came back from Princess Auto. So here's all the stuff I think I'm going to need. So we're going to start off with this. That's going to come off the air tank right here. I also got this tire inflator kit. It comes with a digital tire gauge and a bunch of fittings. I got this air pressure regulator. Here's what it looks like. And again, this is the brass valve that came with this. So I just have it in here. I also have a blowgun. I also got some thread sealant. This was on sale. This is the Wall Industrial Kit. It comes with a bunch of different types of couplers. So I'm going to be using these. So the plan is I'm going to take the pressure regulator. So I'll just be threading that in here. And then I'm going to have the airline run right off the regulator. And I'll just have one of these quick connects on the end of the airline, probably this one. And I'll be using a lot of this thread sealant, so nothing leaks. So let's get started. So I went back to Princess Auto. I bought a 25-foot air hose. The airline I was using, unfortunately, was just a bit too short for what I was trying to do. It couldn't reach the front of the car. So I got 10 extra feet. The line ran, everything's all hooked up. I just don't have it on right now, but the line's all wired, they're all uncoiled. So what I'm going to do is actually open up the line. We'll see if it's going to leak or not. All right, so it sounded like it's good. Let's try this out. And we'll see what the line pressure's at. Let's turn it up a tiny bit. All right, the pressures are on. That's how long 25 feet gets you. Yo, no. So there you go, guys. I ran the airline, connected all the way to the trunk. Let's follow it all the way back. and it's just connected off my air system. So when I'm done with the system, all I have to do is just turn this closed, clear out the line. Using the quick disconnect, we can just disconnect, and that's it. That's very simple, guys. Plug.